Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a powerful natural juice recipe that may help prevent cancer. With the rise in cancer cases, especially among children, this is a simple and nutritious drink you can safely give your kids, especially if they struggle to avoid fast food. Here's what you'll need: 3 soursop fruits, 4 lemons, 3 pieces of fresh turmeric, and 2 pineapples. Start with the pineapple, lemon, and turmeric. Peel and cut them up. Juice the pineapples, lemons, and cleaned turmeric together. Set the juice mixture aside. Peel and clean the soursop. Place the soursop flesh into a fine strainer or sieve, a little at a time. Slowly pour the pineapple, lemon, and turmeric juice over the soursop in the strainer. Use a spoon to press and extract the soursop into the juice mixture. Strain well into a clean bowl to make sure most of the soursop pulp blends in. Pour the juice into a clean bottle or container. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days, or freeze it for up to 7 days. Drink this juice regularly and take care of your health. You might just notice the difference in your yearly physicals. It's natural, refreshing, and made with love. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.